class 9 textbook page number 52 and do this mathematics here. Mathematics, do this textbook page number 52. First question, write p plus 2q plus or whole square in expanded form. So we need to expand means expand, we need to expand. Let's see solution. Given that, what is the given? P plus 2q plus or whole square. So comparing with this, comparing with like x plus y plus z whole square is the identity, that is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yx plus 2z 2yz plus 2zx is the identity. For using this identity we can write where x is equal to p, then y is equal to 2q, then z is equal to r, and substitute these all values in the equation. Now p plus 2q plus or equal to, so p square, x square means p square plus y square means 2q whole square plus z square means r square plus 2 into xy means p into 2q and plus uh, 2yz 2yz. What is y? 2 into y means 2q, z means r plus 2zx. 2 into z means r, x means p. Then you can write p square plus 2q whole square means 4q square plus r square plus 2 to the 4 pq plus 2 to the 4qr 4qr plus 2rp 2rp is the answer. The same question expand 4x minus 2y minus 3z whole square using formula, same above formula. See, we can write this as given that solution, given 4x minus 2y minus 3z whole square, we can convert this
Subscribe,
as
like,
like
and
this:
share.
4x plus of minus 2y and plus of minus 3z whole square, overall square. So why? Because we are writing like this, we need to find out x plus y plus z. Now we take the comparing with a plus b plus c whole square is equal to y, because we are taking a plus b plus c. Here x, y, z are there, that's why we are taken opposite to this, a plus b plus c. Now a same above formula, say a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca is the formula. Now substitute where a is equal to 4x and b is equal to minus 2y, then c is equal to minus 3z. Now substitute the value. See, 4x minus 2y minus 3z whole square is equal to, a square means 4x whole square plus b square means minus 2y whole square plus c square means minus 3z whole square plus 2ab, a means 4x minus 2y, so take as bracket, and plus 2bc, 2b means minus 2y, c means minus 3z, and plus 2ca. What is c? Minus 3z. A means 4x, take as bracket for this, and you can write now 4 square means 4x whole square means 4 square to x square, 4 square means 16x square, and here also plus 2y square means 2 square y square, 2 square y square, 2 square means 4, y square means y square, minus become minus into minus plus, square means minus into minus, that's why here also plus 3 square means 9 z square, and plus into minus minus 2 4s are 8 2, 8 2s are 2 4s are 8 2, 8 2s are 16 x y, and plus 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, plus minus into minus plus 12 yz, and 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24 minus 24, minus s minus 6, 6 4s are 24 zx. The next question, factorize 4a square plus b square plus c square minus 4ab plus 2bc minus 4ca using formula. So given that 4a square plus b square plus c square minus 4ab plus 2bc minus 4ca. So we know this is like in the formula, it's like a formula x square, see, x plus y plus z whole square formula, same formula, that is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. For that we can see we are writing this 4a square plus b square plus c square minus 4ab plus 2bc minus 4ca, that is equal to, we can write 2a whole square, see 4a means 2a whole square plus, here we need to get minus, that's why we are writing here minus b whole square, plus here also we need to get minus, that's why we are writing minus c whole square and plus 2xy. What is x? That x means 2a, so 2 into x means 2a and b means minus y means minus b 2xy and plus 2 into y. What is y? Minus b and z. So z means what is minus c and plus 2 into z minus c and a. X means what is x? 2a, 2a. Now see, you compare this plus into minus, plus into minus, see minus, and also here minus into minus plus, and plus into minus minus, see, and you can write now for, it is, the formula is x plus y plus z whole square, that means x means 2a, 2a plus means x plus y means minus b, so plus into minus, see we are writing plus minus b and plus minus c whole square, so that is equal to 2a plus into minus minus plus into minus minus c whole square, that is equal to 2a minus b minus c and 2a minus b minus c. Next, try this. How can you find x minus y whole cubed without actual multiplication and verify with actual multiplication? First, how to find without actual multiplication? Now let's take an, given that x minus y whole cube, we can convert this as x plus minus y whole cubed. Now it is like a formula x plus y plus sorry, square only, square cube. The question is cube. See, cube. So that's why here also cube. And here it is the formula x plus y whole cubed formula is equal to x cubed plus y cubed plus 3xy into x plus y is the formula. So by comparing that formula, so we are writing like this. So x plus of minus y whole cubed is equal to x cubed means same x cubed plus y cubed means minus y whole cubed plus 3 into x means only x, y means minus y and into x plus of minus y. So then you can write x cubed minus y cubed plus into minus 3xy and x minus y. Thereafter you can write x cubed minus y cubed minus 3x square y plus 3xy square. So up to here enough, it is additional, so up to here enough. Now actual multiplication, x minus y whole cubed is equal to x minus y whole square into x minus y whole cubed means x minus whole square into x minus y, that is equal to x minus a whole square. We know that a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. The same process here, x square minus 2 into xy plus b square means y square into x minus y. Multiply x minus y with x square minus 2xy plus y square, that is equal to x into x square minus 2xy plus y square minus, here is the minus is there, minus y into x square minus 2xy plus y square. Hereafter x into x square x cubed minus x into 2xy 2x square y plus x y square minus y into x square yx square minus into minus plus 2xy square plus y cube. Now you can write x cubed plus y cubed plus 2x square y 2x square y minus y square yx square. It becomes minus into minus, minus plus minus minus plus minus, only minus, both we are added. 3x square y xy square plus 2xy square plus 3xy square, 3x y square, both common, that is equal to x cubed plus y cubed minus, take 3xy as common, remember is x minus y. So after minus into minus plus, this is the result. Next to do this, textbook page number 54. Expand x plus 1 whole cubed using an identity. So you can remember identity x plus y whole cubed. So first you can be given that, given x plus 1 whole cubed, x plus 1 whole cubed, that is equal to, we can write x cubed plus 1 cubed plus x cubed plus 1 cubed plus 3 into x into 1 into x plus 1, x plus 1. So how can we comparing with x plus y whole cubed, that is equal to x cubed plus y cubed plus 3xy into x plus y, already we have told in the previous question. Now see, so what is x plus 1 whole cubed is equal to x cubed plus 1 cubed means 1 plus 3 into 1, 3 ones are 3, so that means 3x into x plus 1, 3x into x plus 1. Now x cubed plus 3x into x, 3x square plus 3x into 1, 3x plus 1 is the formula, expandable form. Next, same way, compute 3m minus 2n whole cubed. So by using formula x minus y whole cubed, x minus y whole cubed, that is equal to x cubed minus y cubed minus 3xy into x minus y. You can write by using this identity and you do at yourself. Do at yourself. And next question, factorize a square minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cubed. See, given that a cubed minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cubed. Comparing this, it is b cubed. Comparing a cubed plus b cubed plus 3a square b, 3a square b plus 3ab square is equal to a plus b whole cubed, is equal to a plus b whole cubed. So that means you can substitute x, y, whatever it is. So here a cubed minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cubed is equal to a minus b whole cubed. That means a minus b into a minus b into a minus b, 3 times. Cube means 3 times. Do this. Find the product a minus b minus c, a square plus b square plus c square plus a minus b minus c into a square plus b square plus c square plus ab minus bc plus ca without actual multiplication. Without actual multiplication. So solution, comparing with x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. By using this formula, so we can compare and write. So that is equal to x cubed plus y cubed plus z cubed minus 3xyz minus 3xyz is the formula. So by using that formula, we can compare about that, where x is equal to a and y is equal to minus b and z is equal to minus c. Now applying that, see, a minus b minus c is equal to a square minus b plus of minus b whole square plus of minus c whole square minus AB. AB means what is A? A means A and minus B. Minus B. A into minus B. Next xy and yz minus y. Y means minus B. Z means minus C. And minus zx minus C. X means A. X means A. Now you can not into here into. So that is equal to A minus B minus C. A square plus B square plus C square minus into minus plus AB. So no need this additional one. So you can compare this like this. X cubed. X cubed means A cubed plus into Y cubed means B minus B whole cubed minus B whole cubed, and Z cubed means plus minus C whole cubed minus 3xy Z. X means A, X means A, Y means minus B, Z means minus C. So bracket like this. Now A cubed plus into minus minus whole cubed means minus A, B cubed minus C cubed minus 3 minus into minus plus into minus 3ABC. Factorize 27A cubed plus B cubed plus 8C cubed minus 18ABC using identity. So given that 27A cubed plus B cubed plus 8C cubed minus 18ABC, we can write this as C 3A whole cubed plus B cubed plus 2C whole cubed minus 3A. A means 3A, B means B, C means 2C. See, you can multiply 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 12, 9 2s are 18 ABC, right? So it is like A cubed, B cubed plus C cubed minus 3ABC. So which is formula? See, it is like an identity, that is x cubed plus y cubed plus z cubed minus 3abc, that is equal to x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus 3 minus xy minus y z minus zx. Now for that, it is equal to x means 3a plus y means b. So y means b plus z means 2c into x square means 3a whole square, 3 whole square plus y means b square plus z means 2c whole square minus xy. What is x? 3a and y means b minus yz. Y means b, z means 2c and minus zx. Z means 2c and x means 3a. That is equal to 3a plus b plus 2c, and 3a square means 9a square plus b square plus 4c square minus 3ab minus 2bc minus 2 3 is 6 ca or ac.